In this section, you are going to study and identify touchpad problems that occur in Windows. After studying this topic, you will get familiarized with troubleshooting the problem related to not only the hardware of touchpad but also software touchpad problems. Let us understand the concept of touchpad problem first. Moving on further, the problem related to it with solution to solve such problem when suddenly happen. A touchpad is alternatively referred to as glide pad, glide point, pressure sensitive tablet or trackpad. A touchpad is an input device found on majority of portable computers and now also available with some external keyboards that allow you to move the mouse cursor without need of external mouse. A touchpad is operated by using your finger and dragging it across a flat surface. It is a pointing device featuring a perceptible sensor, a particular surface that can decode the motion and position of user finger to a relative position on the operating system. It is close to the keyboard and only a finger movement is required to move the cursor across the display screen. Often, double beating the touchpad with your finger simulate a click of the button on a mouse. Thus, you can say that it performs function same as mouse by moving the cursor on screen. Sometimes the touchpad of laptop do not work and respond differently when we operate it, and cursor jump while we are not giving any command. To remove these irregularities, we need to troubleshoot the problem. These problems can be removed by troubleshooting hardware and software in laptop. Let us study different track point functions which are performed in laptop. These functions are to move a cursor. First, you need to apply force to the track point with your right and left index finger. Now, press up and down to move cursor to the top or bottom of the display screen. Now, press left and right to move a cursor the left or right of the display screen. Use your thumb to press the left track point button to select an object. To troubleshoot the hardware problem, firstly make sure that there is no dust on the touchpad and working environment is suitable. If dust and contaminants are deposited on your surface, do remove dust with the help of soft tissue or cloth. It is to make sure that your touchpad do not get contact with any oily things or hands. Our working environment should be clean and moisture free. After taking care of such noticeable aspect, if still your touchpad is not working properly, then there might be a software problem. Now we will learn how to troubleshoot a software issue by following some steps involved in this process. Firstly, shut the windows down and power the unit on. Then start beating the F8 key. Keep beating the F8 key until you get the Windows startup menu. After that, select safe mode from the list. Once in safe mode, test the device to see if it is operational. If the device works in safe mode but not in the standard Windows mode, it may be a software issue. If such problem occur, you'll have to go to My Computer and select Control Panel. Now open Add Remove Programs. Then remove any mouse related software issue and reboot the system. If it does not work, right click on My Computer and select Properties. Click on Device Manager tab and make sure View Devices by Type is chosen at the top. Now look for the group named Other Devices. If it is there, click plus next to it and eliminate all devices listed under it. Remove the device by clicking on it once to underline it and then click on Remove button at the bottom. Now look downward through the list, then select Search for the mouse category. Now remove any device listed below it by underlining the device and select Remove at the bottom. Now reboot the system. If two pointed devices stop working after removing the mouse driver, just use the window key on keyboard to bring up the start menu. Now use arrow key to underline and shut down on the menu. Press the enter key to select shut down from the list. After this, you need to power the unit back on. and let it boot up the Windows as it is. The new hardware wizard should appear and load the requirement driver for the mouse when it gets back to the Windows. After this, test the device then. If the device does not work in safe mode or normal mode window, then it can be a hardware issue. In this way, you can resolve the touchpad problem in your laptop. Thank you.